Title: How to Pay Off Debt, Strategies and Tips. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our finance channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic: how to pay off debt. Whether you're dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or any other type of debt, we've got you covered with some effective strategies and tips. Let's get started. Understanding your debt. Before we jump into the strategies, it's crucial to understand your debt. Take some time to gather all the necessary information, such as the total amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Creating a budget. One of the first steps in paying off debt is creating a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Allocate a specific amount towards debt repayment each month, making it a priority in your budget. Debt snowball method. The debt snowball method is a popular strategy. List your debts from smallest to largest balance and focus on paying off the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest debt is paid off, roll that payment into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Debt avalanche method. Alternatively, you can use the debt avalanche method. This strategy involves prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates. Make minimum payments on all debts, but put any extra money towards the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that debt is paid off, move on to the next highest interest rate debt. Increasing income. If your budget allows, consider finding ways to increase your income. This could be through a side hustle, freelancing, or asking for a raise at your current job. The additional income can be used to accelerate your debt repayment journey. Negotiating interest rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors for lower interest rates. Sometimes, a simple phone call can result in reduced rates, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. It's worth a try. Avoiding new debt. While paying off debt, it's crucial to avoid accumulating new debt. Cut up those credit cards or leave them at home. Focus on living within your means and resist the temptation to spend beyond what you can afford. Celebrating small wins. Celebrate your progress along the way. Paying off debt can be a long journey, so don't forget to acknowledge and reward yourself for each milestone you achieve. This will keep you